All right, welcome back everybody. Once again, we're on video. Hopefully we can be able to work through these problems. This is evaluating an expression. All right, hopefully because you've heard that before, at least I've mentioned it before. Whether you've been paying attention and listening is up to you. Yeah, I was going to keep going with that line, but I decided not to. So, evaluating expressions, expressions don't have equal signs. In these problems that we're going to do here, we're going to be substituting in a number for a letter. Now, up in the top up here, you can see the two letters that we will be using and the two numbers that they will represent in all of these problems. So I have, let's see, 8 problems here. So hopefully we can get through these in the time that I am able to use on this, and we'll give you some good ideas of how to solve these. Okay, so for all of these problems right here, n is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. And so we need to substitute in n with that n, which equals 3. So 13 times 3. Okay, 13 times 3, you can use your calculator, you can use what you need to. 39. All right, hopefully, now that you've seen how we do it, it shouldn't be too bad. Pause the video, try it yourself. Try all of these yourself, and then we'll go along and see if you got them correct. Hopefully you pause the video. All right, substituting in for n is 3. Your answer is 3. I'm going to go ahead and circle my answers here. It's always good practice to do that in algebra because sometimes we put in a lot of material even on tests and then we get to the end and we don't circle it and the teacher doesn't know what we're looking at. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And circle your answer. Once again, working with 3 again. 3 plus 8. All right. 11. All right. 6. Now we're working with y. So the reason I switched it up from n to y is because sometimes during tests they'll have multiple options and we plug in the wrong thing in the wrong spot. Just need to be really cautious of that and make sure you're plugging in the right thing. Now, once again, right here it is doing 2. I always put parentheses around what I plug in for things like multiplication and things that are pretty close, tight quarters like that. All right, that would be 12. So now I have 8 divided by 2. Okay, once again, you could do this, that would be fine. That just lets you know that you plug that in. So that's 4. So 2, oh, that's not how it's supposed to go. And so that would be 6. And for the plus, minus, you can do that, but with the parentheses, but later on it'll get more important to do that. So now I have 11 minus 2 is 9. All right, that's evaluating an expression, okay? So hopefully that was simple. That sounds good to me if it's simple. So we'll see you in the next video.